So, and another reason why this work is important is, again, is the people, right? People, how valuable people are. People are so valuable. And my mind, again, remember, let it be done on earth as it is in heaven. I do not want people to go to the grave without offering up what's been put inside of them to make this earth a better experience to be a part of, right? I'm so big on that. So many people, they go to the grave without offering what's been placed inside of them. Everybody who is here is supposed to be here. That means that nobody snuck down on the face of this earth and say, let me go ahead and see what I can do on this land real quick. Everybody who was here is supposed to be here. So then that means that if they are supposed to be here, that means there's something that's inside of them that they are supposed to offer to the earth to make it a better place. The work is important because I understand that if we don't change the way that we thinking and correct some of these thinking errors, then it's just gonna get worse and worse and worse, and ain't nobody gonna make it better. Like, we gotta be the ones that make it better. We are the solution.